Your HVAC system is the heart of your home, and making sure it's working properly can be an important part of comfort for you and your family. Carrier's new Intelisense technology has you covered, making the entire servicing process smarter, quicker, and more seamless than ever before. Available exclusively on the Performance Series and ecobee for Carrier Smart thermostats, Intelisense connects all your HVAC components through the cloud and stays in constant contact with your dealer. If your system needs a repair or maintenance, your dealer is the first to know, sometimes before you even notice a change in your home's comfort. Your dealer will be able to remotely troubleshoot and potentially even fix your issue right from their office, saving you time and money on a service call. If a service call is required, you can rest assured they'll show up with the right parts the first time. That means less downtime for you. Intelisense, the smarter, quicker, and seamless way to keep your home comfortable.